Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create and set up a document in Docusign so you can send it out for electronic signatures quickly and efficiently. Whether you're new to Docusign or just need a step-by-step guide for 2025, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's dive in. Access and login first. Open your browser and head to the Docusign website. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If not, signing up is simple and free. You'll just need to provide a few details to get started. Once logged in, you'll be on the home screen, ready to start creating your document. Initiate document creation. On the home screen, click the Start button. You'll see options to create a new document. Choose Upload to select your file. Docusign supports PDFs, Word documents, and more. Once your file is uploaded, you're ready to move to the next step. Add recipients. Next, click Add Recipient to enter the email addresses of everyone who needs to sign the document. Double-check the emails to avoid any mistakes, and if your document requires a specific signing order, make sure to set that correctly. Personalize communication. Now let's make it clear for your recipients. Customize the email subject line so it immediately communicates the purpose of the document. Then add a brief, friendly message in the email body to provide context. This ensures your recipients understand what they're signing and why. Prepare document fields. Click Next to move to the document preparation phase. Here's where Docusign shines. Use the drag and drop tools to add signature fields, date fields, and any other fields where recipients need to interact. Place them exactly where signatures or information are required. This step ensures a smooth signing experience. Review and send finally. Review everything once more, check recipients, fields, and the message. When you're confident everything is correct, hit send. Docusign will notify your recipients via email, and you can track the signing progress in real time. And that's it. You've successfully created and set up a document in Docusign, ready for electronic signatures. It's quick, professional, and secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.